Beauties, welcome back. I am so excited because I have my new e-file here today. It just got delivered literally 5 seconds ago. So we are going to take it out the box and check it out. Opening up this bad baby. And of course you can't see the picture because they put the label on there. But I got this off of Amazon. It was $70, $75 with tax. And it is the EC Basket e-nail file. And let's see what this says. 12 months free extended warranty. Cool. So this gives you a year warranty, which is awesome. The directions. Y'all, I'm not feeling well today. So I decided to do this unboxing video in the bed because I didn't want to go down to the nail station. So if you guys are wondering why my sheets look like this is why I'm in the bed. But these are directions. User manual. And this is a 30,000 RPM drill. Alright, comes with sanding bits. And I think these are like medium to fine. Yep, medium to fine grit. It comes with your standard drill bits. I will not be using these. I have my own. It comes with a foot pedal. I have never used one of these. I actually am upgrading from my little hand drill that I got off of Wish. So this will be the first time for this whole drill. So I might check out the foot pedal. The adapter to the drill to plug it up. Let's take the drill out. Oh, and I ordered this yesterday at like 2:30 in the afternoon. And it just got here today at 2 o'clock, 2:15 today. So a whole little, really 24 hours. But this is how the front looks. It's really nice and sleek. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. It's the on and off button, and this is the forward and reverse button. And then here is the indication light. And then here you have your nail drill bit slots. And I'm going to use that for my go-to nail drill bits. It's the bottom. And I love how you can put your drill bit, your hand file and your hand piece in here when you're done. All right, and here is the hand piece. I'm going to take it out, the plastic. And oh yeah, I see a big difference versus the one I have from Wish. Like, oh, this feels like a little writing pen. This feels really, really nice. Like, oh, I love the way this feels. Like, it's really lightweight. Okay, this is nice. So we're going to plug everything up and we are going to check it out. So I'll be right back. Plug in the handpiece that goes on the side. And that is for the foot pedal. We're going to... let's plug that up. Okay, so now that we have it plugged in, we are going to turn it on. Alright, and you see the indication light. Alright, it says 0. Now, we are going to turn it up. Oh, yeah. You see, oh, and that's only on... That's only 5,000. Spending pretty fast. But it's not vibrating in my hand. Alright. It's really smooth in my hand. And it's all the way up on 30,000 RPMs. And turn it down to 10,000. And it's still really smooth. And this is 1500 RPM. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.